right, check out this dash cam right here. This comes in from GKU. It's the D1000. It's a 4K dash cam with 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi and GPS enabled. And there's 3 cameras on here. So you have the main unit right here with the 4K camera, and then on the inside you have another camera right there, so you can record what's going on inside the cab. But you can also switch this around if you want another camera on the outside. You can kind of put that where you want. It comes with everything you need to mount it and keep the cables tidy. But I love this mounting plate so that all the power goes to this one unit right here. Plug that in. That way when you take it off, you don't have to undo the cables, which is really handy. It does come with a micro SD card to sit in there and record all of the video files. And then you plug your rear camera in to the main unit here. At the bottom, you have your navigation buttons and microphone as well. So you can start and stop recording, and you can mute the microphone if you want and go through the menu system. And this is where you can go through and change the settings for the G-force. So meaning it starts recording as soon as an impact is had, and you can set the sensitivity for that. You can also set the loop recording from 1 minute to 5 minutes. That way, if you want to just keep everything recording for 5 minutes, and then if something happens, hit record, it keeps whatever the past 5 minutes was. You can do a lot with this thing, and there's some really cool features, and even including connecting it to your app, and you can preview it there. But I love that you have a screen on here. You can preview the front, the inside, and the rear cameras at the same time, or switch between the different ones there. And this is what it looks like. It's really good quality for the front 4K camera, and even at nighttime, you have good night vision, and it looks great. Easy to see everything that you need to, and also on the inside and on the back. So it works great, it looks great, and it sits easily, so I highly recommend it. And thanks for watching.